very good morning to our listeners. Hope you all had a great evening. A quick recap then of what we've seen so far this morning, and after the volatility, particularly to the downside in the likes of equity markets globally that we saw midweek, things looking a little bit more optimistic and a slight bounce in the markets today in slightly lower volumes with a less busy economic calendar. Nonetheless, though, there has been two real major events to comment on this morning, that being firstly the German IFO report, which came in headline business climate at 107.4, almost 3 full points higher than analysts were expecting. And as such, we saw a spike low in the Bund future on its release, and Eurodollar spiked around 30 pips to the upside. However, those session highs unable to be sustained. There was some talk of Scandinavian names selling off the high in the pair, and it's gravitated back toward the 132 level, which is said to be a large vanilla option expiry today for the 10 AM New York Cut 3 in London. The other real headline reading was that of the latest European Commission forecasts. The growth estimate for 2013 has been cut to a contraction they foresee now of 0.3% for the euro area economy. This is from their previous growth estimate of a positive 0.1. I did see a slight move lower in the euro and in European equity markets. However, stocks across mainland Europe as well as the UK are still trading in firm positive territory, with gains roughly around 1% at the moment. Looking forward to the rest of the session, 11 AM sees a key event for Europe, particularly for fixed income traders, because we'll get the first repayment reading for the second 3-year LTRO loan that was issued from the ECB back around this time last year in February 2012. Analysts are expecting around 122.5 billion today, and we'll also look out for the fifth repayment of the first LTRO. Other than that, in terms of the US session, nothing major from the US today. We do have Canadian CPI and retail sales data, though, forthcoming. That pretty much concludes the opening wrap for me here in London. So I wish you all a great trading day and a fantastic weekend.